You can see the sun.
Oh, now I can see my hand. Okay.
And see you covering up the, yeah, now
Yeah.
you're covering up the sun.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's live. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Fine.
live.
I'm gonna take a picture. Hers is like it's round, but then it's got.
I figure I'm safe if I look at it through my phone. You're doing it from behind you?
Yeah, it sounds kind of crazy.
No, not really. Probably safer than what I'm doing.
What I did is I flipped my camera around the face like it's facing me, but then I'm pointing it towards the sun.
Yeah. Can you see any better that way?
I don't know. Anytime you try to do the sun, it's like big old ball of fire.
Yeah, it's kind of cool though. It has like two big rays coming out from it or something.
Blinding ourselves. Chris told me to go outside, take off my Converse, and look through the hole.